Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, district constables are livid, painting a picture of hardship due to low salaries, scarce benefits and disrespect from other police officers. Now, the head of the District Constable Association used the 27th General Conference in St. Anne to highlight the many problems being faced by members. But get this, the top brass of the Police High Command was a no-show. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has the details.
5 years after Blue Seam Police joined forces with those in Red Seam, Purple is seemingly still missing from the color wheel. Since the merger with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, district constables who were once part of the Island Special Constabulary Force painted a picture of discrimination and disrespect. To make his case, Delroy Davis, president of the District Constables Association, pointed to leave entitlement.
If we are doing the similar work, if we are feeling the same pain, if we are working the same hours, we are enjoying all the different sickness and illness, why cannot we get the leave entitlement to restore ourselves to health condition? As of recently, of last week, I received a reply from the ministry stating that there will be no changes. Can be no changes.
Images like these make a bad feeling worse. Service dog Tim being recognized for almost 10 years of service at a ceremony on November 28. Tim, who has retired, helped to seize about 100 pounds of illegal drugs and make 11 arrests.
At a long service award ceremony at the Police Officers Club, none of our district constables was awarded. Even a dog was awarded at Kingsdown at the award ceremony. Where are we? 120 years, ladies and gentlemen, where are we? We're still in the shadows.
District Constable Davis also complained of long hours, sometimes 55 hours per week, and poor compensation.
It is so unfair, ladies and gentlemen. We would love to buy ourselves extra guineas or something to straighten our body to it. Pay us overtime if you cannot pay us for added hours. We are faced with economic hardship due to low salary. In April 2020, we will see additional 5% increase on our basic salary. There's no forward move in the increment which should be regularized under the new pay structure. We still ask the authority why.
He also argued that district constables are disciplined in accordance with the JCF Act, yet the authorities use the outdated Constables District Act to prevent them from getting some benefits. For example, Section 18 says they are exempt from paying taxes on one horse or bicycle.
We will be most grateful to this could be amended to read one motor car, one motorcycle.
While thanking the police commissioner for addressing their welfare issues, the district constables want other matters to be given equal attention.
We are still without proper headgear. The white shirt which should be used for our ceremonial dress and other accoutrement, still outstanding.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang and Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson were noticeably absent from the District Constables Conference, but both men sent representatives. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.